Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude Projects for team collaborations. So this is helpful when you want to keep your chats, files, ideas, and final outputs in one organized space. So first open up the Claude and then sign into your account. And once you are inside, go to the left sidebar and click Project. So this is where you can create a workspace for a specific task, team, or plan. And then next, click New Project. Add a clear name like Team Content Plan or Research Workspace, then click Create. A simple name helps everyone understand what the project is for. Now, start adding your work. You can begin a new chat inside the project or add an existing chat if you already started something. After that, invite your team, open the project, click Share, or add collaborators, then enter your teammates' work email. And if Claude shows permission settings, choose the access level that fits their role. So once your teammates are added, everyone can work from the same place. They can view the shared contacts, continue chats, review outputs, and help improve the work without starting from the beginning. So to keep things easy to manage, give each chat a clear title and add a short note explaining what the chat is all about. So this helps your team find the right information faster. And that is how you use Claude Projects for team collaboration. You created a project, added a work, invited teammates, and organized everything in one shared workspace. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.